Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to my platform. So in this video, we are now going to look at how we can compile our instructions using the terminal, right? So for you to open the terminal, on the left side, you guys will see that we have this icon over here that says terminal, and you can open your terminal. When you open the terminal, you're going to see the path that you are inside, right? So in here, you can see that I am inside what the C drive, users, administrator, and what desktop, and I have on my desktop I have a folder called what Java project. So this is the folder that I am in now, and as a software developer or software engineer, you need to know how to use what the terminal. Some few things that you need to know about what the terminal, right? So you can see that on this left side over here, I also have the same Java project, and I have all these files and folders inside it. And for you to use the terminal, it's quite very simple. The first thing that you need to do is to use what ls. Ls means what list. So it's going to list all the files and also folders that are inside Java projects for you, right? So all the files, so you can see that I have what these files over here. When I do it like this, you can see that we have this folder, we have this folder, and we have what this file over here, right? So these are all the files and also folders inside what my Java project. Okay, so after that, you can see I want to navigate to project 1, right? Inside project 1, that's where I have what my src, and that's the folder that I want to open and also run what my main.java file. How can I do that? It's quite very simple. So on the terminal, if you want to clear, you just right clear, or you use Ctrl+L to clear it out, right? So now that I have cleared everything out, so if I want to go into I want to go into my project 1, I will use cd. Cd means change directory. I'm trying to change directory to what project 1. So then I will type what project, right? So project 1 like this. Okay, and I can now press on enter, and you can see that I am inside what project 1. And when you look at here inside project 1, we have what this file, right? The src. So let's see if it's the same, and you can see that I have what my src file, right? So these files are also inside it, and I have a folder. So the src is a folder, and these are hot files, right? So now if I want to navigate to this src, I'll also do the same thing. So let me clear, then I'll just type cd, then src, and then I am now inside what this src, and this folder that I am working on is on my desktop. So when I go to my desktop right now, you can see that this was the folder. When I open it, we have what's the Java, the project 1, right? So when I open the project 1, I have what this src, and inside it I have the main.java. So this is the file that I want to work with, right? So for me to get access to it, right, that's why I'm doing all this. So now when I use ls, you can see that I have only one file. That's what main.java, right? So now that I'm here, I can now run what's this main.java, and it's quite very simple, right? It's quite very simple. The only thing that I need to do is to type Java, right? I'll type Java, then I will bring the Java the main.java, right? Main.java, and I can now click, and it's going to compile it straight away for me, and you can see that I've been able to run these instructions. Welcome to Strive Dev, and that's the same information over here by using the system.out.println welcome to Strive Dev. So this is how you can use your terminal to run your Java project. First thing you need to do is to navigate to the file where the main.java file is, and then you now call the Java, right, to run your file for you. Okay, I hope this makes sense to you. I will see you guys in our next video.